Hi guys, if your 8BitDo controller is not working properly on the Windows, you may need to switch it to XInput mode. So in this guide, you are going to learn the correct button combinations in order to do it. Now on the 8BitDo controller, the XInput mode is going to make it behave like Xbox controller. This is going to ensure the compatibility with most of the PCs and the games. So you need to turn off the controller first, then simply press the start plus X button in order to power it on. This boots the controller directly into the X input mode. After turning on, you need to also take a look at the LED pattern. A specific LED layout, which is usually a single stable light, is going to confirm X input mode is active. Different models may show slightly different indicators. Some of the models like Pro 2 have a physical switch on the back, so you need to slide it to the X mode instead of the S, D or A. This is the fastest way to change the modes without any button combos. Now once you are into the X input mode, simply reconnect the controller via USB or Bluetooth, and this way the Windows will recognize it as the Xbox compatible controller. So that's how you can do it, and let me know if that works. Thank you.